Hey everyone, today we're going to look at the FinishLynx interface. This is an interface that basically was written in the dark. We received a sample file from one of the users out there, and so we built everything around that, which is kind of scary because what I don't want to do is pay another developer for hours of work and find out that it's nowhere near what's needed, and or to find out that we're not maximizing what the interface can do. So if anyone knows more about some fields that they accept, or how the data should be formatted, then let me know. First of all, I'm going to say that everything you see here, you can download the beta version from agracemie.com/installer/beta. There is no database changes at all, so feel free if you want to test out some of the features in 5.0 to download this version. It'll update the software that you have, and then if you want to go back to the live version, which is just straight on the website, you can uninstall the software, and then if you go to agracemie.com and then just reinstall it using their free trial link. Whenever you uninstall, you do not lose the license key that's on your machine, so you're safe to uninstall and reinstall without having to get a new key. And anyways, that's where I haven't changed the version number, but that's where what you see in this video here will be the program if you want to download it and test it out. So a couple things you'll see different here with the newest version is if you go to the options screen, which you can get to by pressing F8, if you see here. If you go to the options screen, you'll see now. By the way, this stuff that you're seeing today is the stuff I threw in. I'm sure I'm going to clean it up and pretty it up and move stuff around when we get closer to the 5.0 version. But so for now, I basically threw a text box in here where you put in the IP address and the port number that you want to use for your FinishLynx stuff. You can click test, and it'll tell you if it was able to communicate with the device or with that computer. And so once you've got that set up, you can pull up the race, and you'll see a checkbox here, which again I just kind of threw it in there for now. It says enable FinishLynx feed. So that tells you, okay, yeah, I connected to that IP address. And the moment I click on, let me see if I get this to where we can see both screens here. Okay, let me move stuff around. Make this smaller. Yeah, okay, so here's the kind of the little utility we have here that's going to mimic receiving data on that other computer. So let me click on time race. And I've got just a dummy race with a bunch of people in it. And I'm going to click on enable FinishLynx. And then we're going to do start listing. So I've got a bunch of tags over here. Let me make this to where you can see it. Okay, so when I start reading tags, you'll see here that it's athletes that are in the system and are not in the system. So right now I'm picking up a bunch of unassigned times, and even those are being fed in. Let's see if I can find some more. All right, so you get the idea of how this is working here. Yeah, so 5, 25, 24, 38, 22. There's a 23, so I'm trying to see if there's any times that are missing. But yeah, so it looks like everything's here. So that's basically how it works. Trying to think if there's anything else special here. But that's basically it. So that should feed data directly into the FinishLynx system. Again, this is all based on the email I got with that sample file. I have no idea what this S represents here. That was just in the sample file. I don't know if that means split. I don't know if there's a difference between, like if there's different letters that represent different things. I'm assuming this time format is okay, and I'm assuming that was a bib number in that column. So if one of you guys can download the beta version and try to play with it, let me know what works or doesn't work. That would be great. So again, we're programming in the dark here, which is never fun, but definitely want to provide this capability since it's been asked for quite a bit over the last few years. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed how that works, and I'm definitely looking forward to hearing your feedback and on when for you guys when you test it out. All right, thanks.